Good morning everyone. I am Aditya Shirsat presenting my thesis design Bird Friendly Ashram.
Design typology is bird-friendly ashram, which is coming under Unified DCPR Old Age Home clause number 4.11.15. Site location. The site is in the Nasik near Pandavleni Caves. Area of the site is 51,139 square meter. East-west side slope is 7 meter and north-south slope is 4 meter. The site is connected to the Nehru Udyan, which is coming in Forest Department. The Nehru Udyan has a existing water body. These are some attraction points near site. Concept. The concept is inspired from the mountain and to maintain the natural skyline of the area. Roof plan. This is Mumbai Agra Highway. This is the 9-meter access road and this is Nehru Udyan with existing water body. Master plan. This is the main entrance to the site. This is Watchman's Cabin. This is parking. Parking capacity is 28 four-wheeler and 186 two-wheelers. This is the main pedestrian entrance to the ashram. This is admin office and reception and waiting area. This is yoga dome surrounded by the desho grass. This is multi-purpose hall with dining, kitchen, storeroom and laundry room. This is the garden with amphitheater and art and exhibition area. These are the six rooms unit. Each unit has 14 rooms of double occupancy. These units are interconnected with these pathways. These are the outdoor seating shaded with the badam tree. This is the jogging and walkway with dense vegetation. This is the extended water body with the birds bathing area, and this is the vegetation scheme. All trees and plants are native. First floor plan. These are the six unit. Each unit has a 7 rooms with double occupancy, and this is indoor game zone. Street light layout. The Philips clear crystal blue-green light emits blue-green light, which is specially designed for birds and animals. Side sections. The section B dash is cutting from yoga dome, rooms and water body. The section A dash is cutting from rooms and water body. The section CC is cutting from art gallery, amphitheater and rooms and water body. And section DD is cutting from the dining area. Office. This is reception area with waiting room. This is admin office and manager's cabin with attached toilet. These are the common toilets. This is isometric view. This is section, elevation and 3D visuals. Yoga dome. The yoga dome is surrounded by desho grass and there is a plantation of bougainville, hydrangea and butterfly pea. This is isometric view of yoga dome. This is section, elevation and 3D visuals. This is the plan of garden with amphitheater and art and exhibition area. This is the isometric view and these are the 3D visuals. This is a plan of multi-purpose hall, dining, kitchen, storeroom and laundry. And this is a section. These are the rainwater harvesting ducts which are connected to the water body. This is the plantation of Wagnaki creeper. The Wagnaki creeper will cover entire roof and the structure will merge in the context. This is north elevations, south elevations and 3D visuals. Unit. This is typical ground floor plan and first floor plan of unit. There is a seating provided in corridors. This is single unit plan and interior view of ground floor and first floor. This is south elevation, north elevation and section. These are the rainwater harvesting ducts which are connected to the water body. There is a plantation of Wagnaki creeper which will cover entire roof and will merge with the contacts. These are the 3D visuals. These are the isometric views of outdoor seatings and these are the 3D visuals.